That looks pretty thin. Is it a cracker? Okay, so this is definitely a gluten-free crust and made from cauliflower. If you're on keto, maybe you've heard there's cauliflower crust out there. There's cauliflower mashed potatoes. There's cauliflower macaroni and cheese. And I'm not a huge fan. I would rather just chug down tons of MSM and call it good. Cauliflower is really high in sulfur. Anyways, it looks like a cracker, guys. In my experience, that's not what it looked like when I made it, but hey, whatever. So here we have the Caulipower back of the box. If you look, it's not exactly low carb. In 1/3 of the crust, you got 26 grams. 1/3, that's, and 26 grams of carbs for me, for the most part, I try and keep it below that. Not that I'm trying to lose weight still or anything like that. I just don't really care to take in more carbs. Some days, like, yeah, we'll do pizza, and that's why I kind of did this review, right? But those are just rare days, not every day. And guys, it did taste all right. I liked that it had a good crunch to it, and it cooked really well. It wasn't and I've tried these other ones. What do we got? 3 cheese and margarita and veggie. I tried those other ones. They're okay. But the bottom line is, this is great for gluten-free options, but it's not keto. I guess that's it, guys. There's really not much else to say about these things. Okay, this is the last part. Take the cardboard out. Who cooks their pizza on the cardboard, guys? You know, there's people out there that do that. When I first encountered somebody like that, I was like, what? Why, man? Why would you do that? Stay healthy. Don't cook your cardboard.